Mema wakwaba deba GCN page so meeting at the adjoa search. Besra subscribe to my channel. Faunsa mi bell ne so. Ube ya notification video bi obenye bi ahwe anase nsem ekoso ha bia obenye bi eti. Efia pokuya vim lady na okase. Na anesem a okan na ne se NDC for safe de mo agemo eni so. Safe de mo eni so ayemo clear. Court akasa. Na court kire se Madam Jane Mensah enya dia omobema ne kwan wa kogina witness box ni mu na NDC lawyers ebisebisa ne nsem aye ne cross examination enti no course court akasa mo hwe na mo nti ase a ene na mo njai na adofo ye nyenim ensem ekoso wo Ghana hanom eye NDC for court ensemi last year 2020 about to ye omo kire se omo nti ase omo nji ntum so omo edi nkuku da because omo hwa Ghana photo abane mo omo Ghana photo abane mo papa 7th December 2020 yekosa lie e wo polling stations ahodo no NDC fo nko an ye to abane de mo enti se Madam Jane Mensah wa akeka figures ni bia bobo matiti bia fim na so wa ma na MPP fo enwi ne dia ene na NDC fo so omo nti ase omo de asem no ebe court enti omo de asem no akoda no Supreme Court na asem no omo akwa omo ko ene na ekina na omo ko saa na no de omo ko ya yawo de omo sanso ko yi ena NDC for etrese omo pese Madam Jane Mensah ebe gina adaka ni mu no omo bi se bisa ne nsem eba ne sen ena figures na odeba out no o cause why a mistake now sanso bo figures foforo afeyin so figures na NDC for wono intali e wo de Madam Jane Mensah ye kan no enti no Madam Jane Mensah emegina adaka na omo bi se bisa ne nsem na court na se na omo ponwe no ena omo tu share da se na no yawo dey omo be sanso akọ na final decision omo de aba na yawo dey omo kọ yi ena court ni kire se Madam Jane Mensah she no go stand there in offense witness box bia na mo ebise bisa ne nsem enti ne se mo ntia se ene mo court case no mo cancel na eno na efia pokuya vim lady kire sisi eno court akasa enti ne se mo ntia se amunjai yisi cannot be forced to testify enti no ensem we ene efia Schwarzenegger efia pokuya aka na adofo yenti ensem a efia pokuya etro ede eto ne Facebook wo o kire the court has spoken on Tiasia Jai. Yisi cannot be forced to testify. Case closed. In some way, ena efia pokia etro ede etu ni Facebook page.
Na di ukum me kura ni esi edun ketia. Oh, don't worry, brother. That means I mean, yes, so na many day. Miss de mi yanko for the mama no. Say be ebi an commitment be weak crowd. In this car with the choir me. All right, Charlie, let's get to serious business. Some confo we no udi omo echi a. They be obey nipa bone. Now, let me move to Sammy Jemfi. Hey, Minia, we NDC new. We MPP new. Let me tell you something. So we leader, odi wenim. So one can okra. It lead the whole party astray. See the American. So we leader only do so on no kwafo so on fa dignity so on fa no kure enye na dwuma. De bia no e de anum guase kese ebre party no. Adan na make sa. Mo ko say mo ko yi executives. Kakre samwane wan no ni na we anas papa ne say na friend no. Yeah, I believe that's his name. And this name might be. Oh no. All those guys were there. They chose, look at Koko Anidoho. They chose to bend Koko Anidoho. And who did they choose to use? Esiedun Ketia, Adentia, cause all he profused is propaganda. NDC, enye party ya, jene se, sebe imprediasan, beye bibi. Okay? Beye bibi, abo, mine Debi. NDC, diane se, petumi, se, who say, yetiso. What the mom was swap? Odi 2 minutes more so yintimi hwe so na yekoyi Sammy Jemfi. I will confess here, me na minim Sammy Jemfi, to be honest with you. And some koye sa election no, the only communicators of NDC and minim was Ameto Kwame, Fred Agbenyo, Kudia Duasare, sometimes some papa will refer saying Sam George. Like it was some people and then me name say omo communicators. To be honest, I didn't know anything about Sammy Jenfi. But this was why I was happy about the appointment of Sammy Jenfi. I was happy about Sammy Jenfi because me who say, hey, young boy and I yet to me a man of big positions, then this is the time for we the youth. Because or call her akoti nim or be ye ade any different if you see don't get animal propaganda this way or mother year party no where a new guy matekura so say or sign your lawyer into no or be bring a new fresh air into the whole front row of NDC. Akwa be the first press conference a bomb. The first press conference Sammy Jenfi be ye he lost his credibility. Yes, we nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Wo nimu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Oh, ena na Akufo-Addo. Oni Ghana but one can kire parliament. Akokwa chokrodo because that time no person relevant here yin foforo. Enti onko raise issue. Na party for no say Same comrade. Na Same uko jina ho etwa antro. Ko jina ho ko twa antro say Akufo-Addo ankra and wo had na eduru su jina parliament ka kire wo say wo your trofo because papa ne kon ne letter ni e kind parliament eno anso ho a and wo start say wo di chairman general tem di no ho kokonsa eye Kwame Sefakai wo start say wo di na tem na wo start say wo boys ne ko ho no mo kokasa mo mpene ma no kura na mo ko fa sa stupid erikeje no buni ni erikeje jimi ni boy bi no na ni say yi apotroka wono mukofa ono say anytime bi obeba chairman general ho bia no onye gidigidi on chedanye say ni say no yes fe na wo Sammy Jenfi you pivoted your own communicators against chairman general eye Kwame Sefakai kodi intro na papa no kochi one time no say asem a wakoka fa me ho no enye no krenti Same kotwe san and now we are hunkokoti chairman general but we cannot use this platform what bodam that is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sefakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes, idea, ya be boycott. Na NDC for papa mpanyfo amote ho. Mo pe mo party ni ya. Mo pe JM ya. Munim how big Peace FM is and how far Peace FM travels. Matiasia ma small boy we say ma communicate bi anko Kokroko so. Na mpa ma anko ankoton mu dreams. Manko Tom candidate Kokroko so. The prestigious morning show. I don't care what somebody is doing on their own. But Kokroko, you Kokroko, everybody was listening to that. Moko swaswa baller bets bedi ho na mo de kan mo say mo to ade left and right center e de kire chairman general. Ene e pamo ho. Sammy Jenfi wan fair no n2 ho for. As a young boy, as a young guy who one day wants to become somebody in this country, you did not look at your first 2 missteps now. Why you need to reassess? If you understand this, I will to twegum. To Tomane, yeah, president saying a nepotism and a nepotism. First, look for 54 names nearby. Yeah, the names nearby. I feel the names 54 no, I got 24. I feel 24 no see a woman cries in sense. Same pono, so I na busi any cry or then I go school down there and you nimuno. Udimen Crawford, my Mahama cool school, I know many chief executives and Mahama Mumudi. Tina Ghana Bokano. Or no Nebusia for no, one former question Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Wayo, no way to make you mo. Or the almost share baby, your mom driver, mom car, mom fuel, mom be beer chief executives for. Chief executives for. And I'm a hammer bushing for, okay, come on, Moko share. Intimate member, Gina, Nema may young say, and now who name what is happening. Hey, Mamma Joe, baby. Say, would you say a Buddha if you are on our home? A B and I got to NDC for you. Sammy Jenfi call so ye yam penny for. Me say sometimes, I say, we are not the Biamica. Say, who hello, Brian, I come patch on me babe frozen here. Say what to ho, who bruchri. Na say what is Sammy Jenfi, kasa wo radio so a hwe me ka me kire wo. Say Unyo bi a we smart. Obedwene say entokwa si Ghana na say na Akufo-Addo asai Ghana. Ne kura yesi asai no. Na Akufo-Addo a wase